In this video, I'm going to show you how to create drawing number 25 from the multi-view drawing sheet. I'm going to start by opening up a new part file, and then I'm going to start by creating a 2D sketch on the XY plane. We're going to be working from the origin and in quadrant 1 of our XY coordinate graph. I'm going to choose to use the rectangle tool first, 2-point rectangle tool, starting again at the origin. I start to drag my box, and you can see that the width dimension is highlighted in blue, so I can just type in a 4. Hit tab, that changes to my height dimension. I want to enter 2.5 inches, and then hit enter to create my box. Let's recenter our drawing, maybe zoom in just a little bit here. Now that I have that rectangle created, which represents the overall size of the object, I can go ahead and finish the sketch. And then I can right-click and use my extrude tool to pull that out at a distance of 0.75 inches, which is half of the overall object's depth. Once I have this part of the object created, now it's time to add the part on the left side, which appears to be 1 inch wide, and it also sticks out 3/4 of an inch. So again, I'm going to right-click on the face of the object and create a new sketch. In creating this sketch, I'm going to add the rectangular shape to the front, again using the 2-point rectangle tool starting at the origin, and I want to make this 1 inch wide, and my height is already at 2.5 inches, so I'll hit enter to create that rectangle. Finish this sketch, right-click inside that rectangle, choose extrude, and you can see that it pulls it out at 0.75 or 3/4 of an inch as what we had previously set. My next and last step is to create the cutout section on this face in the front view. So again, I'm going to right-click, create new sketch, and now I'm going to use my point tool to locate a point 1/2 inch down along the right edge. So I'm just going to go ahead and create that point on the edge by placing it there. Then I'm going to use my dimension tool to dimension that point to the corner and make it 0.5 or 1/2 of an inch from the top edge. I'm going to create another point just below that, 3/4 of an inch from the bottom corner. Using my dimension tool again, click on the corner of the object, click on the point, drag it out, change it to 0.75, and hit enter. Next, I'm going to use my rectangle tool to create a 2-point rectangle from each of those points and at a depth of 2 inches, which is highlighted in blue. I'll change that to 2. And hit enter. And I have that rectangle created. I'll now finish the sketch. Right-click inside the area that I'd like to cut away. Choose extrude. Instead of pulling it out in this direction, I want to change my direction to direction 2, which is back at 0.75, which is already set, and that cuts that away. I now have created drawing number 25. You can go ahead and choose from the generic menu any of the colors that you see there. We'll use cherry this time. And that's what a completed drawing 25 should look like. Make sure you save this as drawing 25, including your last name, in your folder on your desktop for Inventor drawings.